guys, today we're gonna create some pasta. All you need is pasta, glue, paintbrush and some. First, we're going to create some lines with the paintbrush and glue. Then you glue the pasta on top of the line. This is my sunshine. Hope you like it. See you next time.